If your kids love choco cereals but you want something wholesome, you have to try these mini cookies. Simple, easy homemade recipe with simple ingredients. So if you want to learn how to make them, then just keep watching. Starting with a clean dry bowl, we will take the room temperature butter. You can easily swap this with ghee and it'll work just fine. I'll drop the ratio in the description box below. To this we will add jaggery or brown sugar. Avoid using castor or white sugar as we want that caramelized taste, which is great for this recipe. Simply cream the mixture until light and well emulsified. Next, we will add the milk. Make sure it's not hot, as that would melt the butter and end up in a puddle of fats and sugar. Go slow, but mix it in well. That looks perfect. Next, we will take in all the dry ingredients, that is the finger millet or ragi flour. It's a highly nutritious gluten-free flour, but you can easily substitute it with regular flour or whole wheat flour too. I'll leave the ratio for this in the description box as well. To this we will add the cocoa powder along with baking powder and baking soda. This is what gives our mini cookies that light and crisp texture with a slight lift so they don't turn dense. Now mix it in gently and you will get a mixture that looks somewhere between a cake batter and an ideal cookie dough. More like a thick paste that should be easy to pipe out. This looks good. Now all you gotta do is transfer it into a piping bag or a Ziploc bag. And you don't need a nozzle for this. You'll need to take 2 such trays lined with parchment paper. Give a small cut at the end to pipe out. And now, go ahead and call your little army of kids and watch them have fun piping these little cuties. It might get a little messy, I must say, but that's the best part. And you can always scoop up the dough back into the bag and pipe again. You can get up to 240 such mini cookies. That's about 120 grams from this batch. Gently tap the tops before it goes into the oven. And this will bake at low temperature for just about 10 to 12 minutes. And there you have it, your mini millet cookies. Or should I say a healthier version of little Choco Pops. Whether your kids have them as breakfast cereal or even as an evening snack. It's something they can always enjoy and you can serve them guilt-free anytime. Store them in an airtight container and they can easily last up to a month. Although I doubt you can keep them to last that long. Time to see how they've turned out. Perfectly baked. And perfect tender crumbs. Hope you get to try the recipe soon. Happy baking! Thank you for watching. Bye for now.